Okay, so in this video, we're talking about how to change the resume colors in FlowCV. First, go ahead and pick the resume you want to work on, then head over to the Customize section. Once you're there, just scroll down until you see colors. You'll notice there are a few options here: basic, advanced, and border. So in advanced, you can choose whether you want to change just the accent color, go multicolor, or even use an image. You can play around with whatever looks good with FlowCV's preset colors, or just pick a custom one from here. Clicking through these honestly gives a different feel every time. And like over here in border, you can even pick an image. They already have images ready, or you can just stick to colors. For me though, I'm picking this color instead. Next, you'll see which parts of the layout actually change, and you can just choose whatever looks nicest for you. And yeah, that's basically how to change the resume colors in FlowCV. Thank you for watching.